Easy ways to strengthen your knees, cartilage and ligaments. Welcome to an in-depth guide on maintaining and strengthening the critical components of your mobility, your knees, cartilage and ligaments. These structures play a vital role in your ability to move freely and live an active, fulfilling life. However, factors like aging, poor lifestyle choices or injuries can weaken them, causing pain, stiffness, and reduced flexibility. In today's video, we'll explore 8 practical and natural ways to reinforce these essential parts of your body. From dietary tips to lifestyle changes and targeted exercises, this guide will equip you with actionable advice for better joint health. Stay tuned, and by the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to take charge of your mobility and protect your joints for years to come. Let's dive into these simple yet powerful strategies. 1. Stay hydrated. Water is life, not just for your organs but for your joints, cartilage, and ligaments. Dehydration can rob your body of the essential fluids it needs to keep your joints lubricated and functioning smoothly. Synovial fluid, the natural lubricant in your joints, relies heavily on proper hydration to reduce friction and keep your cartilage healthy. When your body lacks water, cartilage can become brittle and ligaments lose their flexibility, making injuries like tears or sprains more likely. To prevent this, aim to drink water consistently throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle as a reminder, and consider adding slices of lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. How much water should you drink? While the general guideline is 8 cups, 64 ounces, a day, your needs may vary depending on factors like climate and activity levels. Listen to your body, and drink water before you feel thirsty to avoid dehydration altogether. 2. Increase protein intake. Proteins are the building blocks of your body, playing a crucial role in repairing and maintaining tissues, including cartilage and ligaments. Collagen, the most abundant protein in the body, is a key component of cartilage. Consuming protein-rich foods helps your body produce collagen, supporting stronger, more resilient joints. Include a variety of protein sources in your diet, such as lean meats, fish, eggs, and dairy products. For plant-based options, consider tofu, quinoa, lentils, and beans. Nuts and seeds also provide an excellent protein boost along with healthy fats. Remember, moderation is essential. Excess protein can strain your kidneys, so consult a healthcare professional to determine the right amount for your specific needs. Carrying excess weight exerts undue stress on your knees, hips, and other weight-bearing joints. Each additional pound can increase the load on your knees by about 4 pounds, accelerating cartilage wear and tear. Over time, this can lead to conditions like osteoarthritis, which causes chronic pain and stiffness. Losing even 5–10% of your body weight can substantially reduce this strain, alleviating pressure and promoting better joint health. To manage your weight effectively, adopt a sustainable, balanced diet that prioritizes nutrient-dense foods such as whole grains, colorful fruits, leafy vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide essential vitamins and minerals that support joint and ligament repair. Pair your diet with regular physical activities that are easy on your joints, such as swimming, cycling, and Tai Chi. Avoid high-impact exercises if you experience joint pain, as they can exacerbate the issue. Focus on gradual and consistent weight loss to protect your joints. Crash diets or extreme caloric restrictions may cause muscle loss, weaken your bones, and hinder ligament strength. Aim for slow, steady progress through mindful eating and an active lifestyle. Remember, even small changes in your weight can lead to significant long-term benefits for your joint health and overall mobility. 3. Prioritize vitamin C. Vitamin C is indispensable for joint and ligament health due to its critical role in collagen production. Collagen acts as the main structural protein in cartilage, providing flexibility and strength while protecting joints from impact-related wear. A deficiency in vitamin C can lead to weakened cartilage and ligaments, making them more susceptible to injuries. Boost your intake of vitamin C by consuming a variety of vibrant fruits and vegetables, such as oranges, grapefruits, kiwi, strawberries, bell peppers, and kale. These foods also contain additional antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress on joint tissues. Regular consumption of these foods may also help lower inflammation, a common factor in joint pain and degeneration. Since vitamin C is water-soluble and not stored in the body for long, it's vital to include it in your daily diet. If dietary sources are insufficient, consider taking a high-quality vitamin C supplement after consulting your healthcare provider. This ensures your body has a consistent supply of this essential nutrient for collagen synthesis, immune support, and overall joint resilience. Additionally, research suggests that vitamin C plays a role in reducing the progression of inflammatory joint conditions like arthritis. By incorporating vitamin C into your wellness routine, you can bolster your cartilage, ligaments, and tendons for improved long-term joint health. 4. Engage in strength training. Strength training is not just about building visible muscles, it's a fundamental way to protect and stabilize your joints. Exercises such as squats, lunges, leg presses, and deadlifts specifically target the muscles supporting your knees, hips, and other weight-bearing joints. Stronger muscles act like shock absorbers, reducing the stress placed directly on your joints and lowering the risk of injuries or degenerative conditions like arthritis. In addition to enhancing muscular strength, weight-bearing exercises improve bone density, which is vital for maintaining joint health as you age. Strong bones are better equipped to support the weight and movement demands placed on your joints, reducing wear and tear. Exercises using resistance bands, dumbbells, or even body weight can be great starting points. For optimal results, work with a fitness trainer or physical therapist to ensure proper form and to develop a program tailored to your needs. Consistency is key. Aim for at least 2 strength training sessions per week. Don't forget to warm up and cool down to minimize the risk of ligament strain or injury. Additionally, include exercises that improve balance and coordination, as these can prevent falls and related joint injuries. 5. Add allium vegetables to your diet. Onions, garlic, leeks, and shallots are humble yet powerful additions to a joint-friendly diet. These allium vegetables are packed with sulfur compounds that play a crucial role in cartilage repair and maintenance. Sulfur is essential for producing collagen, a protein that maintains the cushioning between your joints, providing both flexibility and protection against friction. These vegetables also boast anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, thanks to compounds like quercetin and allicin. These nutrients combat oxidative stress and help prevent joint damage caused by free radicals. The anti-inflammatory effects are particularly beneficial for people dealing with conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis or osteoarthritis. To reap their benefits, incorporate allium vegetables into your meals regularly. Add raw onions to salads, sauté garlic with vegetables or lean protein, or prepare hearty soups with leeks. Experiment with recipes to keep your meals flavorful and nutritious while supporting your joint health. 6. Include omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are celebrated for their ability to reduce inflammation and support joint health. Found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herring, these healthy fats work by counteracting inflammatory enzymes and proteins that can damage cartilage and ligaments. By reducing inflammation, omega-3s can alleviate joint stiffness, improve mobility, and potentially slow the progression of arthritis. For those who don't consume fish, high-quality fish oil supplements are an excellent alternative. Plant-based sources of omega-3s, such as chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts, and hemp seeds, are also highly beneficial, although they contain a slightly different type of omega-3 known as alpha-linolenic acid. To maximize benefits, aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week or incorporate plant-based sources daily. Additionally, consider cooking with oils rich in omega-3s, such as flaxseed or walnut oil, for an easy way to increase your intake. 7. Stretch regularly. Stretching isn't just for athletes, it's a vital habit for anyone looking to maintain flexible and healthy joints. A daily stretching routine helps elongate the muscles, tendons, and ligaments surrounding your joints, which can prevent stiffness and improve mobility. Stretching also increases blood circulation to these areas, ensuring they receive the oxygen and nutrients necessary for repair and maintenance. For the best results, include both dynamic and static stretches in your routine. Dynamic stretches, such as leg swings or arm circles, are ideal before physical activities to prepare your joints for movement. After exercising, static stretches, where you hold a position for 15 to 30 seconds, can help improve flexibility and aid recovery. Yoga is another excellent way to enhance joint health. Gentle poses, like the child's pose or downward dog, can target multiple areas, improving flexibility while also building strength in supporting muscles. Incorporating yoga into your weekly routine can also help reduce stress, which is linked to inflammation in the body. Remember to listen to your body while stretching. Overextending or forcing a stretch can lead to injury. Aim for a mild yet comfortable tension during each stretch, and gradually increase intensity as your flexibility improves. 8. Consider supplements. Supplements like glucosamine and chondroitin have gained popularity for their potential benefits in joint health. Glucosamine is a naturally occurring compound found in cartilage that helps maintain its flexibility and elasticity. Chondroitin, on the other hand, assists in retaining water within the cartilage, allowing it to absorb shocks more effectively. Together, these compounds support the structural integrity of your joints and may slow the progression of conditions like osteoarthritis. While these supplements are not a cure-all, consistent use may help reduce joint pain, improve mobility, and prevent further cartilage degeneration over time. Some studies suggest that they may also have mild anti-inflammatory effects, further supporting joint health. In addition to glucosamine and chondroitin, other supplements like MSM, which stand methylsulfonyl methane. We can also add hyaluronic acid, or turmeric, or curcumin, that may also promote joint health by reducing inflammation or enhancing lubrication. Collagen supplements, especially hydrolyzed collagen, can further support cartilage repair and ligament strength. Before starting any new supplement, consult a healthcare provider to ensure it's safe and suitable for your individual needs. Keep in mind that supplements work best as part of a holistic approach, including a healthy diet, regular exercise, and proper hydration. Strengthening your knees, cartilage, and ligaments doesn't have to be complicated. By staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, engaging in regular exercise, and incorporating specific nutrients and supplements, you can significantly improve your joint health. Take action today to protect your mobility and enjoy a pain-free, active lifestyle. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.